takes this monster party to the sky! Was waiting for my invitation to arrive.
Pumpkin!
Invitation to the party where monsters come alive! Be alive! Was waiting for my invitation to fly!
And we'll take this monster party up to the sky!
Energies ignited up above the street. The music is a blasting here at Ripple Street. It's a monster party. Who could ask for more? Everybody's rocking.
Yeah, or pumpkin.
With those lights and loose on the floor. Everybody's rocking with those boots out on the floor. Boots out on the floor. Like we never seen before. With those lights and boots out on the floor.
That's why we're over here.
Yeah, it's pretty neat.
It's a monster party. My new flying robots are even more exciting than my rocket-propelled shoelaces. Ooh,
Oh, the
let's do
mouth is
some
moving.
experimenting.
Oh, that's... Yeah!
Close your eyes and barely open them.
Like potion.
Is it real? It's my creation. Oh, my creation. It's my creation.
It's alive! Look at my creation! So buzzworthy. I'll call you Fly Monster. Making monsters is my absolute favorite. Let's make some more.
Is it real? It's my creation. Oh, my creation. It's my creation.
A plant monster? Interesting. And for I brought along the perfect spectacular spell. Here it goes. Monster Party's such a treat. Show us something sweet to eat. Whoa! It worked! Wait! That's not cat! That's my cat!
Oh,
You get back here right now! No! Not that way!
What a thrilling monster spectacular! And we've saved our favorite monster party song for the end! So, all you monsters, sing along!
A monster party is the perfect party. So let's all dance until we drop. A monster party is the perfect party. Right here, right now, so we go.
Whoa-ha-ha!
Let's dance to party, so give me the world.
Everybody!
A monster party is the perfect party. So let's all dance until we drop. A monster party is the perfect party. Right here, right now, so we go.
Thank you for joining us. Now, enjoy the candy and party on, monster friends!
Happy brick or treat.
This has been another thrilling
That was
monster
cool.
party, and I wish it could last forever. But until
Yeah.
then, have a brick-tastic night.